Hi friends, this is Subhash here, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. Yeah, this video is a little different today. That is my bike there. So what I'm doing today, I'm taking a delivery of a small bike. It's a moped bike. I'm just bringing a partner for that bike because that bike gets too much pressure on it. So I'm trying to give that bike some rest here. That's why I booked already a bike. It's a moped bike here, TVS. I'll show you later on. Let's talk about this bike now. Alright friends, this is a bike. I have just installed this box here, a top box on this bike now. I cannot go shopping on this bike. It's like if I go to market and all, can't do that on this bike, and it doesn't suit for this bike. So I need a small bike for this. It's a BS61 version because I had a Apache also. I sold that bike because of BS6 version. I'll change in BS6 here all my bikes now. It's a small bike. I'll show you in the showroom and I'll go to delivery after some time. You guys be with me. I'll just show the odometer. Till now it's how much, 2306 kilometers has ridden till now. It's a 2.5 month, almost old now. I'll just use this bike for long rides only. I'll just keep inside, and I need a small bike to just ride in this my area or something to when I go out to, and something to buy there. Okay, I'll show you this box also. This I bought from Stardust Helmet in Madgaon in Goa. This cost me around 1,250 for 25 liters. It's good enough for 2-3 days luggage also. It's good enough. Yeah, I fix it here. It's like I made this extra clamp here. That guy gave me extra clamp to make this fit here, but they comes with the plate here, the big plate, but I could not find that. When I find it, I will fix it that again with nice and properly. So this is how it looks now. So I cannot go with this for shopping and all. It's only for long rides. Even my mother cannot sit on this. My mother is old now, so I need a small bike. Right then friends, let's go to showroom now. Some of you guys know already the person who came with me to take delivery of that bike. That person is no more now. So even I feel very bad for this. It's almost 2.5 months I bought this bike now. Even I am little bit confused to whom I'll take for delivery this time. Let's see. Okay then, if you like this video guys, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. And let's go to showroom now. Okay then. Okay guys, this is the road goes to KPM from Savadam here. And this is the Savadam road here. And this is the showroom here, TVS showroom. It's called, I don't know the place, Tanke Kode they say here. And this is the bike, a moped, TVS XL here. This is the first moped they sell here. This is a new showroom, they said me. Okay, I'll just take the ride a little bit of this and let you know later how it works and how it runs. So this is the bike only to use in cities or small rides. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I'm home now. I'll just show you both the bikes together. Okay. Alright friends, these are the bikes. This is the horse and this is the Hathi ka Bachcha. It's a child of elephant. I named it. It's a good bike. I ride all around 40 kilometers now from temple till home. It's a good ride on this experience for local city ride and all. It's a good bike, I guess so. It's a moped, just only TVS makes this kind of bike in India. I'll use this bike for long rides. If I need to rush faster somewhere, to reach faster somewhere, then I'll use this bike. Otherwise for city communicate, I'll use here this smaller bike here to bring something from market and all. Okay, so this is the odometer here and you have ignition. It's a fuel injected one. It's easy to ride and easy to handle also. So that's the point here. You see, it's a FI Virgin here. Nice one. And even DRL also we have here, front wise. Tell you why did I choose this bike for when I can go for the scooty or something like that, Activa and all, because this is the bike for real man here and I don't ride such kind of scooters and all. That's why I only ride this kind of bike here. That's why I bought this one. Okay then guys, if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. And just comment me how does it looks, my Chota Hathi here, Hathi ka Bachcha. Okay then guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.